Hey everyone, welcome to Homes for Beginners, where I show you how to do repairs around the house yourself. In this video here, I'll be showing you how to replace the engine oil on a Yardman Y26SS 4-stroke trimmer. This procedure should be fairly similar to other 4-stroke trimmer models as well. Unlike the most common 2-stroke trimmers, where the gas and oil is mixed and added in the same tank, this version on the other hand has a crankcase filled with oil, and you simply add straight gas to the fuel tank. Start by starting the engine and allowing it to warm up. 5 to 10 minutes is only needed. This will allow the oil to flow easier. Have a spot to drain the oil ready. For this, I'm using an old oil jug with a funnel. Ensure the area around the fill and draining port is clean. Remove the fill plug and then tip the head up. The same port that is used for filling is also used for draining. This only takes a minute. The trimmer doesn't hold much oil. Again, you'll need a funnel and ensure it's clean. We don't want any debris contaminating the crankcase. Make sure the trimmer is sitting on a level surface and place the funnel in the fill location. The trimmer requires SAE 30 weight oil, and the amount needed is 90 milliliters or 3.04 ounces. I already have a small measuring container for this. It makes it much easier, and it doesn't take much to overfill the trimmer. Install the port cap and wipe off any excessive oil residue on the outside if any. Remove the port cap. This has a dipstick equipped. Clean off a dipstick, reinstall it, remove and then check. The oil should be towards the top of the dipstick. Finally start the engine, ensuring everything is good. It's always important to check the oil before each startup. The oil should be changed every year or every 25 hours of use, whichever comes first. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home DIY videos. Thank you for watching.